In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the strongest and weakest industries and stocks so you'll be prepared for any big moves in the market. It is extremely important you know how to do this before it's too late and the next big move up or down happens. We make it easy, and I think you'll be excited how empowered you will feel once you know how to do this. Remember, it's our goal to give our members the tools so they have the confidence they know how to manage their own portfolios without being reactive to others' opinions, the media, etc., which is normally wrong or just too late. So, do you have the confidence to find the next big moving stocks and industries? Most people do not, but we're going to show you a simple way you can master this quickly and get your arms around everything. These markets can be rough, but using our strong, weak industry stock scanners, everyone has had plenty of warning ahead of time, as well as while the whole market was breaking down, giving everyone plenty of time to take profits, get off margin. If you're on margin, you shouldn't have been on margin. Pare back your positions, or even go short on the bounces in this downtrend. We're not saying this bear market slide is over, but we will start to see certain industries bottom out and rally off the bottoms. Again, this is not us calling a bottom right now, but we want traders to have the tools to know what to look for so you do know exactly where the strong and weak stocks in the market are before you hear about it too late on TV or from a friend. Also, nothing here is a buy or sell recommendation. We are interested in educating our members so they have a simple way to track the market, find their own stock setups, and so they can feel confident with their own analysis in a very, very simple way. So let's get started and have some fun. So as you can see, we just have a simple chart open right now of the Qs, the tech sector. What we want to do is step one, going to open up the platform, which is open. Step two, click the industry strength ranker right up here, right at the top. Step three, check all sectors. We want to view all these sectors. And then we're going to hit scan. You can see it ranks all these 1 through 149. These are all the different industries. Each one is made up of a certain amount of stocks. You can see the symbol count here. 9 stocks, 110 stocks, 11 stocks, etc. So this default is set to 200 days, so it's a longer term scan, but it's telling you what has happened over the last 200 days with the returns. You can flip this and look at the weakest: internet retail, pharmaceutical retailers, etc. What you may want to do, since we're in such a crazy market, you want to go to a shorter time frame most likely. Although you can see over here, you can rank like this. It's a little bit easier to just do the scan right here. So let's do a 5-day scan. Now you're going to see different groups at the top. For example, solar, basic materials, copper. Not a whole lot of real sexy areas here, but it's interesting to watch. Now what we're going to do next is just go ahead and double click on any of these industries right here, any of these rows, and it's going to pull up the entire list of stocks for that industry. And what you can do next is double click again to pull up any of these charts, and then go up here and do a side-by-side view. So now you've got your chart and you've got your list of stocks. The next step is just simple. You just go ahead and link these charts. You want to hit like the same color here, so blue, and go to S for scanner, blue, so blue and blue. Now, as you can see, you can easily just cycle down. You can do this with a simple click of your mouse. Now, if you see anything that's of interest in here, any of these stocks, maybe some are bottoming out, maybe some look weak, whatever it may be, you can just go ahead and like, this is a big run, but is it going to hit resistance, a sell-off? Who knows? But let's just go ahead and hit this thumbs up. It's going to add it to your favorites list. You can see this over here, stocks I liked. Open that up and you're going to see a list of anything that you hit with that thumbs up. So it's a quick and easy way to start building a watch list. And then you can go back, take a look at it in these other industries. You want to be careful if they don't have a whole lot of symbols in them, because sometimes maybe one or two stocks within the industry will skew the results. But let's look at like the last 20 days. See if there's something interesting here. And again, you can just double click. Get a list of all these different stocks. And then finally, what you want to do is from here, you can add any of your analysis on the chart, add your strategies, pet D, buy sell line, anything other kind of analysis you want to do. So in conclusion, are these stocks bottoming out, getting ready for a run? Are they bouncing before they go lower? At this point, it's just a little tough to say, but we can start to separate the wheat from the chaff and find the stronger stocks in this market. We can find tradable entry points using small positions, and we can use it also using extreme trade management discipline with tight stops and profit targets. So when we're wrong, we're wrong small and not big. You know, swinging for the fences in an uncertain market can lead to big losses. So be careful. And if you want to remain on the sidelines, you can do that too, and just use these tools to paper trade, build your confidence, and wait for the right situation for you. To start using the strong stock industry tool, go click here for this special promotion and leave any comments on our YouTube channel or just contact us directly. Thanks a lot.